The data, if it is corrupt or noisy, it's just a waste. The data has to be clean. It should not contain any noise, should not have any missing information. There should not be any redundant data. There should not be any error in the data and many more. So to make sure that the data is perfect for usage, we need to clean the data before using it. The data is available from various sources, so there are chances of corrupting in many ways. So it needs to be taken care all the possible ways of corrupt data, sources of corruption, and the source of noise, various reasons the data is not directly useful. We can make use of routine algorithms for working on that, but definitely they are not worthy, so we need to put lot of efforts on that. So instead, if it was possible to just allocate some system to make sure that the data comes out clear, clean, then it will be definitely very much helpful. So while working on very big data, definitely it makes a lot of difference with clean data. Many tools are available for the purpose. The various tools we look in these coming sessions are Cascade, Talent, Apache Scoop, Apache Airflow, and so on. These are the tools which are readily available to meet our requirements, and they just take the data and look at the problems with the data and solve the problems and get us clean data, so that the next part of the work can be done more efficiently with the least error and so on. So we'll look into these details in our coming sessions. So take care.